Welcome to the Rim Break Rodeo. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will show you how to make a university logo in Photoshop. Let's begin by setting up our canvas. Open Photoshop and create a new document. For optimal quality, set the width and height to at least 2,000 pixels each. This ensures your logo will look crisp on various platforms. Remember to select a transparent background, which is crucial for easy placement on different materials and designs. This initial setup is key for a professional outcome. Next, we'll focus on crafting the central emblem or icon of your university logo. It's best to use Photoshop's vector shape tools, like the rectangle or ellipse, as these maintain sharpness at any size. Combine these basic shapes to form a distinctive symbol that represents the institution's values. Don't be afraid to experiment with various color palettes. Typically, 2 to 3 primary colors work well to convey a strong brand identity. This step defines the visual core of your logo. Now, let's integrate the university's name into your logo design. Choosing the right font is paramount. It should be professional, legible, and reflect the institution's character. Pay close attention to the letter spacing, also known as kerning, and line height to ensure the text is easy to read at all sizes. You might also consider adding a concise tagline or motto beneath the main name to further convey the university's mission. This typographic element adds crucial context to your visual emblem. Finally, it's time for refining and exporting your university logo. Take a moment to review the entire design, checking for balance, proportion, and overall visual impact. Ensure all elements are aligned perfectly. Always save your master file as a Photoshop document or PSD so you can easily make future adjustments. For practical use, export your logo in several formats, including a high-resolution PNG with transparency and an SVG for web scalability. This ensures your logo is ready for any application.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.